Hi and good evening, sir. This is our project Ktmb E-Balance. So basically, this project is focusing on to ease the KTM user. As we know before this, those who are using KTM to go anywhere, they have no idea how much is the amount left in their KTM card. And if they wanted to top up the card, they have to go to the counter or kiosk, which makes them feel anxious about that. So here, the Ktmb E-Balance application will help the user to check their balance and also reload the KTM card just from an application. So what we are doing is that on each KTM card that have been produced or registered, we have a different QR code for each user. Now let's take a look at Ktmb E-Balance application. As you can see on the screen now, it is a login interface. User will be able to choose either to log in via QR scanner or to log in with account. So they can make choice. So first, we take a look at how login via QR scanner works. So we have to select login via scanner and it will go to this page. In real life, this will be a camera that scan the QR code on the card. So after the scanning successful appear, user can select next to go to the main interface. So now we are at the main interface. So what do we have here is all the functions which are we have here balance, reload, user information, and contact us. So first we take a look at balance function. As for this interface, user can simply view the current balance as you can see on the screen, and we also have the reload and transaction function here. So as for the transaction history, the interface will be like this. The function user will be able to filter either by month, years, or days. So we go back, and next we look at the reload function. This is the reload interface. So for this, as you can see, user may enter either whatever their preferred amount, and we have a little description here for the user to inform that the minimum reload is 5 ringgit. So if they want to reload below than that, they can. And after that, we can simply press the reload Ktmb E-Balance to go to the next interface. So this is the credit or debit card interface. The amount entered by the user will appear here, and if user have already saved their bank card, user can simply press reload and it will direct the user to the banking site. And if they wish to add a new card, they can simply press the green plus button, and after that they have to enter the card number and all and press next again. It also will redirect user to the banking site. So we go back, and here we also have the FPX online banking method where we have several online banking here. So we have Bank Rakyat, CIMB Bank, Maybank, Public Bank, and RHB Bank. So if the user press any of this, it will redirect them to the banking site to log in and go through the process. So we go back and we take a look at user information now. Here we have the username, the phone number, and inbox. So for this inbox, we can check all the notification or messages that we got from the KTM. And we go back, and we have this edit info function. So press it, and here user will be able to change name or change number and just save changes to go back to the previous interface. So we go now. Let's take a look at settings. As for settings, we can change the language used. We can also have English, Bahasa Melayu or Mandarin. Now we also have edit info here, which like the previous one. So we save changes and go back to here. And for the Maybank card, the user will be able to view their bank card that they have saved before. And just like that, they also, as if they wish to add a new card, they can just press this green plus button and insert all the details and press add card. So go back, and user also can view the terms and condition for this application, and also this logout button. And another way to log in is with login with account. They can simply enter their username and password and press login. And now lastly, we take a look at contact us. So for this one, user will be able to view all the KTM details. We go back to home. So that's all for the explanation about the Ktmb E-Balance application. So basically, what makes this Ktmb E-Balance application different from other e-wallet apps is that it has a QR code scanner features, which make it easier for the user to simply just log in by just a snap of a picture of a QR code scanner, and it is easy to learn, which is the principle of usability. It takes a short period of time for the user to learn how to use the apps, and user can also save their time, and lastly avoid user from making several mistakes while using the application. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.